Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to get a high score in Block Blast. So if you also want to get a high score in Block Blast, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Block Blast is a game available both in Play Store and App Store. The game's goal is to arrange blocks of the same color in rows or vertical columns to remove them from the board. The small squares can be removed when you arrange them in vertical and horizontal rows. However, if you have yet to fill the small squares in the horizontal or vertical columns, they will not be removed. In order to increase your score, what you can do is destroy the column. For each column destroyed, you will receive additional points. Your score will be displayed on the heart in the middle of the screen so you can easily see and track it. The more color bricks you remove from the screen, the higher you score. In order to get a high score, make sure to observe very carefully. The blocks ready to be used next are at the bottom of the play screen. 3 blocks will appear randomly. Depending on your calculation method, you can choose which blocks to use first and last and which position is most appropriate. Getting a high score in Block Blast requires a combination of strategy, focus, and planning. What you can do is avoid filling the grid too quickly. Don't just place blocks without thinking. Try to leave enough space for upcoming larger blocks. You also have to consider future moves. Always look at all 3 blocks and think of where they might fit. This helps you avoid deadlocks and keep your game going longer. Aim for larger combos. Clear multiple lines at once. If you clear more lines in a single move, you'll score more points. Also, try to arrange the blocks in a way that let you clear both horizontal and vertical lines at the same time. You also want to focus on double clears, so plan your moves so you can clear both rows and columns simultaneously. This will give you bonus points. Make sure to keep your blocks closer to the edges. It helps you maintain flexibility. Also, you want to watch the shapes. Use smaller pieces very wisely. Don't always use smaller blocks right away. Save them for tighter spaces. Be very strategic. Plan ahead and you'll be able to get a high score. Further, experience and practice will help you get a high score. So that is how you get a high score in Block Blast. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.